Now you will listen the special update in English.
Indian troops, in their fresh acts of state terrorism, martyred two more Kashmiri youth in the occupied territory. The troops, during coordinated search operations, killed one youth, Imtiaz Ahmed, in a FAC encounter in Shahgund area of Bandipora and another one in Khagund area of Islamabad district. In another incident, 5 Indian troops, including a junior commissioned officer, were killed and 2 others injured in an attack in Surankot area of Poonch district. The slain troops came under attack when they were conducting a military operation in the area. The killing comes amid a sweeping crackdown by Indian troops in which over 900 people have been arrested in the Kashmir Valley since yesterday. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, termed the fictitious charge sheet filed against illegally detained Dukhtarani Millat chief Asiya Indrabi and her associates Nahida Nasreen and Fahmida Sofi by Indian National Investigation Agency as a deep-rooted conspiracy to execute judicial murder of the Kashmiri women leaders like Muhammad Maqbool Butt and Muhammad Afzal Guru. APHC called for a complete shutdown on Friday against the widespread genocide, arrests and registration of cases against incarcerated Hurriyat leaders under draconian laws. Hurriyat Forum, led by Mirwais Umar Farooq, in a statement expressed grave concern over crackdowns and arbitrary arrests across the Kashmir Valley by Indian police and paramilitary forces. Hurriyat leaders Muhammad Yusuf Naqash, Javed Ahmed Mir, Democratic Freedom Party and Jammu and Kashmir Mass Movement, in their statements in Srinagar, raised doubts over surge in target killing of civilians immediately after the visit by the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat to the territory. They termed the killing as part of a well-hatched conspiracy to malign the Kashmir freedom movement. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has said that Pakistan is committed to continue providing political, diplomatic and moral support to Kashmiris and to raise voice against oppression and barbarism by Indian Army in the occupied territory at every forum. In a statement, he said, Kashmir has become a global issue rather a regional one, and the international community must come forward to stop ongoing Indian crimes and resolve the issue in accordance with the United Nations resolutions. A delegation of Sikhs, led by All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Advocate Davinder Singh Bahal, during a visit to Sikh and Muslim communities in Tral area of Pulwama district, urged them to thwart the attempts by New Delhi to destroy traditional brotherhood in Kashmir. Protest demonstrations were held by Kashmiri Muslim women in Srinagar and Pandits in Jammu against the failure of Modi government in preventing civilian killings in the territory.